Hello and welcome to Mystic Mim Tarot. I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Today I'm doing a reading from the masculine for you, Divine Feminine. I will get many different messages from him and what he would like to say to you right now. I will finish off the reading with various songs too. This is only a general reading, so this won't resonate with all Divine Feminines. So please take the cards that resonate and leave the ones that don't. Now let's get started. What would the masculine like to say to you today, Divine Feminine? You are the most patient woman I have encountered in my life. I have been feeling like I am cursed in my life lately. I have so many things going wrong simultaneously. You have humbled me with your absence, Divine Feminine. When you discovered how diabolical, vindictive, evil and mentally deranged this karmic is, you were relieved to leave me in the dust. You killed two birds with one stone by leaving us both in the past. I wasn't open when it came to hearing your side of the story in the past. I am a very close-minded person. I feel as though this karmic is poison for my soul. The trust that you lost with me, you have placed solely in God now. The karmic is irate because you have actually exposed her as the karmic to me. She was posing as a Divine Feminine to me, but now I know she is a fake and a full-blown karmic. You're focused on being good to yourself and pampering yourself right now. I feel like a total loser. I lost a woman with a heart of gold who would have done absolutely anything for me, and that person is you, Divine Feminine. You feel that I am arrogant and egotistical. I feel as though I did whatever suited me and wasn't too concerned about your feelings. I didn't want you to get into spirituality. The karmic caught me looking you up on the internet. She's also caught me looking at your photos, Divine Feminine. There is something that you have that I want. That's why I am still in your energy, Divine Feminine. Just so you are aware, I still haven't changed my ways. You are a starseed healer, Divine Feminine. You probably think that I am living my best life. However, that is far from the truth. I have been trying to astral project into your dreams, Divine Feminine. What else would the masculine like to say? You never knew how strong you were until you had to forgive me when I wasn't sorry and accept an apology that you never received. I view you as an honest, patient lady who I had an extremely intense emotional connection with. You think that I have a real hide to even contemplate coming back to you again after juggling you with the karmic and then choosing her over you. You already know that I still think about you daily, Divine Feminine. A real man doesn't play mind games with a woman. Only weak, immature, insecure boys do that. I guess I'm a boy then. You caught me up in my web of lies. You are in your unbothered era. You don't care what other people are up to, do you? You're busy focusing on you and upgrading your life. I crave you, I miss you, and I am infatuated with you, Divine Feminine. You are the one and only person in my whole life who I truly regret not holding on to and not treating properly. The Karmic and I are not compatible at all. I admire the way you are such a private person, as opposed to this Karmic who is all about getting attention and clout by any means necessary. I want to be honest with you now and have a conversation with you about all of the blockages and distractions that came between our connection. When you were with me, you didn't love yourself the way you do now. I know how much pain you must have gone through by walking away from me and closing out this cycle. I know that your love for me was genuine and deep. Your love could never be replaced. You love to help people and you inspire those around you. That's why I feel robbed of your energy now and like I'm missing out without you in my life. I am seeing a different version of you now that I am having a hard time coming to terms with. I don't like being treated the way I treated you. By this, I mean I feel that you are giving me a taste of my own medicine. I am used to your forgiving, loving nature, not this aloof, detached you. I broke your heart and you know better than to fall for my smooth talk and charming nature ever again. You have gone through it with me, I know. The ghosting, the breadcrumbing, the multiple partners, the gossip, the lies, the manipulation, the cheating, and the hot and cold behavior. I guess I cannot blame you for moving forward with your life and leaving me behind. You are walking on the path with God, and I'm walking on the path of destruction. I am basically laying in the bed I have created with the person that I left you for. The Karmic and I are still so attracted to you, Divine Feminine. We are both infatuated and obsessed with your face and your body. I thought that I could save you for later, Divine Feminine. You feel now that I have to eat my words, chew my ego, swallow my pride, and accept my mistakes. It is called growing up. Holding on to me was only going to hurt you more in the end. You no longer allow room in your life for such pain. Therefore, you loved me and released me. I am aware that you forgiving me in silence and never speaking to me again was a form of self-care for you. I understand that you got tired of giving your everything and ending up with nothing when it came to me. Sometimes your value isn't seen until your absence is felt. This applies to what happened between you and I. I realized your worth and value when it was way too late. I actually thought that I could escape karma. Boy, oh boy, was I wrong. I got a sexually transmitted demon from the Karmic. What else would the masculine like to say to you, Divine Feminine? You thank God for your ancestors and wonder what you would do without them. You appreciate their watchful protection over you 24/7. I saw you as the person I wanted, but not at the time I met you. I knew you had all of the qualities of someone to offer a commitment to or settle down with. I was out sowing my wild oats though. The timing just wasn't right. I am astonished that you discovered the truth. Due to the fact that I got away with the lies for so long, I just presumed that you would never find out what I was actually hiding. A part of me is convinced that you are still awaiting my return. I had a choice between real love and superficial love. Of course, I chose the wrong one. The Karmic did spell work on me, Divine Feminine, so please take that into consideration as to why I acted and behaved the way I did towards you. DF, you are now attracting men who have done the work, who are mature, have direction, and know exactly what they want. This Karmic has kept me stuck and blocked from my divine purpose. I thought that I had so much power and control over you that you would never ever leave me. I feel sick at the thought of you being with someone new. I can't be happy for you if you have met someone. I am too jealous and possessive over you. You obviously do not want me. I have disgusted you with my actions. I have the audacity to want to return to you after everything that I did to you in the past. I feel incomplete without you, Divine Feminine. I am not even looking like myself anymore. My very fear came true. I was scared that you would ascend and grow spiritually and that you would awaken to your true potential. This is exactly what you have done. I know that you are high vibrational, very protected, and I am a snake. And I know now that you have discovered that I am one. Now we will get some songs out of my song deck. The lyrics in these songs will resonate with how the masculine is thinking and feeling right now. Bottom of a Bottle by Smile Empty Soul. Hey Jealousy by Gin Blossoms. I'm a Ladies' Man by Reg Lindsay. One Has My Name and the Other Has My Heart by Jerry Wallace. Toxic by Britney Spears. Unfaithful by Rihanna. You Know I'm No Good by Amy Winehouse. I Lied to You by Janet Devlin. You've Lost That Love and Feeling by the Righteous Brothers. Careless Whisper by George Michael. Missed My Chance by Griffin House. Don't Leave Me This Way by the Communards. And the last one is Missing You by John Waite. I hope you found this reading interesting and insightful, Divine Feminine. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.